老公你驚唔驚啊？老公？I don't think he's scared. 而家係做咩啊？食早餐，睇下食咗啲咩先。因為佢間房有2位嘅早餐，咁我哋而家快啲食早餐。如果唔係咧，就食唔切㗎啦。今日行程有第幾日啊？第2日，就唔帶自拍神器落嚟。呀！我哋喺上海第2日啦，拜拜。好啦，我哋而家咧就嗌食一個葱油麵啊！
其實我想見到你幾面，
你完全睇唔到我食嗰啲咩早餐咯。我哋今日咧就買咗一個千古情嘅門票，呢個係家姐話想睇，媽咪話想睇，咁我哋就陪佢嚟啦。係啊。咁咧，我哋而家就去到入口啦。哇，好靚喎！咁你見到咧，真係好 elegant 啦。咁我哋應該睇千古情咧，嗰個戲飛就喺度入，今晚睇 show 就6點鐘嘅。OK。咁然之後咧，跟住就包一個宋城，一度應該就喺呢度有分唔同嘅門票啊咁樣嘅，咁我哋今晚睇下好唔好睇啦，就係睇一個咯。OK，拜。有冇影到一個啊？我同媽咪咧，同我親愛嘅家姐啦，就喺上海搣啦。今日咧就係2026年嘅6月3號啊！我哋一家3口終於團聚啦。咁我哋就嚟咗呢個上海。我哋今晚咧就睇 show，得啦，好興奮啦，拜拜。
好，交翻俾一坐。
日咧嚟咗一個上海千古情啦，咁買咗6點嘅門票。呢一度咧就係有好多上海嘅街景啦，我哋一齊入嚟睇下。媽咪 come， 哇，有靚仔啊！哇，好有 feel 啊！仲有表演喎，可能啱啱表演完啦，一陣會有表演㗎。
Moments later. A few moments later.
到上海啦，家姐咧請我食一個串串，咁我咧就揀咗橙食。咁咧士多啤梨咧就諗住俾媽咪嘅，我哋而家一齊食睇下好唔好食，快啲！
一齊食。
係啊，
食橙先。
你食士多啤梨，
哦，你食士多啤梨。我中意食士多啤梨。
係咁啊！家姐話要桂花，
食晒啊！
係啊，應該一粒，冇人會咬你一半應該。咁我哋快啲3個一齊食啦，睇下好唔好食先。好，OK。哇，全部都是糖，哇，好甜啊！
好甜啊
Very sweet, too sweet.
！You have to
Just like to eat a sugar，
哇，鬆，冇開出㗎。
係咪啊？
好凍啊！
點解好唔好食？你要咬多個橙先，咬多個糖先啦。等我可以，唔係你可以咬一半嘅，等我唔使直接一咬就咬咗個糖分。You know, just eat half. You give the other half to me. No, not like this. 哎喲，shit！到，我真係想食，我想試下。
Actually, I don't think I can do this.
好黑喎。
Don't worry, don't worry.
We haven't even started and I'm already scared. She's not scared. She's smaller than you.
Ay, hổ shit.
Oh, fuck's sake!
Oh, hello. Hello. 喂，佢好似日本嗰個咧。夜山蟹，夜山蟹。哦，可能10蚊級啦。
Oh my god!
Oh, hi! How are you? Wow! 你個女係咁踩我。哎呀，我出晒汗啦佢。好報應，死啦！我老公其實都好驚㗎，佢好驚㗎，佢怕黑㗎。
What's behind that curtain over?
其實我唔係想行咁慢，係你個女。我dead，我dead。I'm here. Don't worry. I think later will someone come out.
Yeah.
I think so.
This looks more like something.
No, I just. Moving, moving. Dead people moving. Moving, moving. Moving, moving.
Aren't you scared? I don't want the chocolate.
The fellow is moving. Huh?
Is that an
No, no, no. It's two people? I don't think so.
What did they say? We just jumped.
Yeah, I think so. Oh! Love it.
But that's an actual person.
No, it's actual person. Oh no.
Me too.
Actual person? No.
This is
Oh, just like actual person. Oh, just head, hair. A lot of hair. Oh. 老公你驚唔驚啊，老公？
Ow!
I don't think he's scared.
I hope this activate comes out. I'm
喂，幾耐啊？仲有？How long is it? Very hot. Fluffy. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. It's spoiled. 我想影相啊，其實家姐你唔影相。
Keep going, keep going. 呢條咗啦，唔使影啦，好驚啊！走啦，快啲！
哦，watching TV，watching TV。你個女直情又要玩又要驚嗰啲咧。
That was like Kevin.
Watching. Hello. Oh, we need to take escalator. Oh, no escalator. Hi.
Oh, the cousin.
Oh, exit. Too scary. 唔係，我覺得佢好似日本嗰個咩病院嗰個，係有似係。
但係呢個追出嚟咯，
係啦就好啲，但係其實佢做係佢都驚啊。
我驚俾人追出嚟。
哦，but if someone anyone just jump. But Veronica just like this, hold me all the way.
Still traumatized from the
Oh yeah. So you think Japan one is more?
because they use real people.
Oh, okay. So this one should be better. 點解你唔錄啊？OK, bye. 咁你咧？
Good job.
你整個反轉一齊，你自己咧？
Packing. Make sure everything is okay.
Okay, come.
Yeah, so this time is much better because Auntie Winnie protecting them. Yay!
Finish. 攰啦，係啦。